The Brighten Up ceiling tile overlay is made using proprietary glass surface technology from Owens Corning. Brighten Up gives you an array of benefits in both commercial and residential remodels. To install Brighten Up, you will need clean white gloves to keep dirt and debris off the overlay, a ladder, mask, coveralls, safety glasses, a utility knife, and a measuring tape. When installing Brighten Up, first locate the 7 dots along the edge of the overlay. It's very important that you place the dots along the same edge of the grid on every tile throughout the install. Next, you will want to identify the smooth side of the overlay. Take a minute and look at the texture of both sides. One side will look fuzzy and one side smooth. You want to install the overlay with the smooth side facing the floor. Once you have identified the smooth side, slightly lift the existing tile above the grid about 5 centimeters. Position the Brighten Up overlay, smooth side facing the floor, under the existing tile by placing the corners of the overlay above the grid and below the existing tile. To lock the overlay into place, lower the Brighten Up overlay and existing tile onto the ceiling grid. You may have to tap the tile or shimmy it into place. When cutting the overlay to a custom size, measure from the outer edge to the inner edge of the adjacent grid section. Repeat this process to capture the length and width of the tile. You may want to remove the ceiling tile to use as a template to ensure you have the right fit. For lighting, ventilation, or sprinkler integration, cut the ceiling overlay at the right dimension with a utility knife. Now, enjoy the transformation of your space.